Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to upload your portfolio on Behance. First, make sure you're logging into your Behance account. Once you're on the homepage, look at the top right corner and click on the Share Work button. From the drop-down menu, select the first option, Project. This will open up a blank canvas where you can start building your case study. You have several options here. You can add image, text, photo grids, and even embed videos or audio to make your portfolio more dynamic. For this example, let's add an image. You can browse your files and select the word you want to showcase. Remember to use high-quality assets to make a great first impression. Once your content is uploaded, you can rearrange it or add more details. When you are ready to proceed, click the Continue button at the bottom right. Now it's time to fill in your project information. This is part crucial for SEO. Project title, give your work a catchy name. Project tags, add up to 10 keywords to help people discover your project. And the tools used, list the software you used, like Photoshop or Illustrator. You can also adjust the visibility settings, choosing between everyone, private, or link only. Keep in mind that some advanced visibility options might require a pro membership. Finally, you can add a short description and copyright information. Once everything's look perfect, just hit the publish button and your finished project will be live on Behance.